It's time to update employee experience. The COVID-19 pandemic has created workplace safety concerns, operational changes, and more virtual work. The social justice movement has increased demands for authentic employee diversity and inclusion, and the economic downturn means companies need employees to do more with less. So it's clear that the old ways of engaging employees are no longer going to work. And just to make sure we're all on the same page, when I say employee experience, or EX, I mean the sum of everything employees experience throughout their connection to our organizations, from the first moments of recruiting, through onboarding, training, common benefits, performance management, to the end of employment, and all the day-to-day experiences along the way, such as communication and access to resources and tools. In these unprecedented times, we need to rethink EX and ensure our employees are unified, focused, and motivated. Here are 3 recommendations for doing so. Number 1, deliberately design and manage EX. Just like great customer experiences, great EX doesn't just happen. We need to infuse our purpose and core values into employees' everyday experience and ensure we are cultivating our desired culture. And this needs to be a priority now. On average, nearly 2/3 of our employees are not engaged, according to Gallup, so the health of our workforce is at risk, and we're not going to be able to get our operations and finances in order without engaged employees. So make EX a strategic priority and assign the people and resources necessary to develop a concerted, renewed effort now. Second, involve employees in employee experience design. Now more than ever, we need to be listening to our employees and learning their needs and expectations. And we need to ensure we're hearing from different groups within our workforce so we understand the differences between them. For example, parents with school-aged children might face unique challenges, and Black employees may want to be engaged differently. We should seek to learn from formal and informal conversations with employees, and we can apply customer research and analysis tools such as listening channels, pulse surveys, and sentiment analysis to further understand employees. Plus, we should involve them in the development and testing of EX strategies, tactics, and programs. They can provide valuable insights about what's working, what's not, and why. And finally, be sure to make personal connections. This last recommendation is primarily about employees working remotely. Now, there are a lot of benefits of having a virtual workforce, but one of the risks is the loss of social cohesion and camaraderie. The Gallup organization has found that having a best friend at work is an important foundation that enables employees to thrive. This best friend provides an important support system for an employee, and employees with a best friend at work are more connected to the organization. But without face-to-face interaction and the informal kind of water cooler conversations of in-person work, employees may find it harder to develop or maintain close friendships with their coworkers. And we've all experienced the challenge of having a robust dialogue among a group of people over the phone or on a video call. So people's ability to not only express themselves, but also to truly understand others is likely to be compromised. So we need to work harder to ensure we are connecting with employees on a personal level and facilitating personal connections between employees. We should consider virtual social gatherings, Slack channels for personal and social topics, more one-on-ones or smaller meetings, and group service or volunteer projects that can be done remotely. EX has definitely been disrupted, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. We can seize the moment to take our employee efforts to the next level and create a healthier, more effective culture.